How to fix camera not focusing in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and open camera. Now here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open your camera. And then on top left corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it. And then scroll down in last and here you can see the option reset settings. Now click on reset settings and then again click on reset. After reset the camera settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.